Alright, so we're going to do something fun today. We're going to work on removing all of this corrosion around all four wheels. Doubt I'm going to get it all done today. I can at least start. The biggest pain with these wheels is that they have a clear coat on them, and the clear coat ends up flaking off and corroding, and the corrosion gets under the clear coat, and you can't polish these and make them look good until you remove that clear coat. I'll show you here what I mean. So this is all, looks like normal pitting, but there's indeed clear coat. You can kind of hear it. It's this wheel is not as bad as far as it peeling, but it's definitely corroding underneath the clear coat. Now on the other sides, the clear coat's failing pretty significantly. I mean, I can't blame the wheels. I mean, this truck's 17 years old. It was from New York, so I'm sure these wheels never got washed during the winter, and that's enough to corrode them. So I'm actually going to strip these with it's aircraft paint remover. And I've used this. I've done these exact wheels for somebody else before, and I used this method. It didn't work as well because it was about 28 degrees out, and this doesn't like to react well and do its job when it's not hot out. So read the back here what it says, but I'm pretty sure it has a working temperature in between 50 degrees and like 100 degrees. We're on the opposite end of that this time. It's about 90 degrees out, so I'm going to see if this works. Let's see how that does. So I just wanted to do an update. It helps when your stuff isn't been left open and expired. So I went and got the aircraft stripper, spray aerosol, and right away the paint started falling off as far as a clear coat, and you can hear it bubbling. Yeah, there's definitely a chemical reaction going on that the other stuff did a little bit, but not as much. But I can just tell this is gonna come off after I pressure wash it. Alright, so I got all the clear coat off of all the wheels. Looks very good. Well, better than it did. Now I'm gonna start removing some of this pitting. I highly doubt it's gonna come out with just a polish, so I'm gonna try it with 1000 grit on a DA. And then hopefully that's all I need to do. Alright, so when it's all said and done, they look a lot better. I did not get 100% of the pitting out. However, they look much better. I could probably still use a little more of a polish. But I do say they look a lot better than they did. So, been polishing some stuff up lately. Just kind of getting the truck to look better. So, yeah, these will be good enough until I get new wheels.